Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, another relationship don't crumble again. And this one are between billionaire Ned Nwoko and his fifth wife, Laila. I hear say the two of them now, they don't divorce. I say these people, they truly in love. I can't be surprised say now, I don't divorce myself. But I don't they suspect this lady self since. Say this relationship go still crash. Because now no say since when Regina Daniels start to dey flaunt this man, no let everybody hear what about this her husband. Make I not talk say yeah. But make I still reason as okay, this in ugly have been a fine husband. Now there don't begin dey pain this wife. I notice say now there Laila don't begin get issues because immediately that period she blocked Regina Daniels. It be like say the thing where the girl they use the thing they enter in eye. Why be say yourself no call your husband? Okay, baby, move yourself, come my place, make we go Morocco. Go enjoy. As you leave the man, now what you make Regina now? Collect them full-handedly. All of a sudden now, nobody asked this lady Laila. Now she just go her pace, go right. Start to they give everybody motivational speaking. Say make nobody talk about her relationship again. Say she and Ned, she don't get anything between. Auntie, why go say make we not talk about them? She be all of us know so now two they married. Why be say something go come happen? You won't talk say make we no put mouth. Now the auntie claim say they don't divorce. Hey, madam, divorce. It don't reach you safe. Soldier come, soldier go. Now so it be. For a man will be so of now no say now so first wife did it, second wife did it. Now you be number 5. You still decide say you want food. Why be say now Regina can they pay you for body? But Regina Daniels, it be like say the juju where you and your mama go. It be like say it really work on this man body. Because I never see where man go home woman. Because every time now so Ned and Regina they always travel up and down. People they even always ask, what about your other wives? This man go claim say they get children they go school. So because Regina pikin still dey smoke, say na wetin make they enjoy their life. But until be like say this your flesh or with this your sugar daddy have been at your house, it be like say don't they too much. It be like say don't they pay people for body. Because this one where fifth wife don't come on and sure say soon first wife no go come out. Until be like say you stand there for which kind of style you they give this man where be say this man no want come eye on top of your body. Where be say you don't do so take person to even carry him back say he know they marry again. And don't be say this lady don't have born 3 whole children. Now she they divorce this man for but anyway, I sure say you don't cash out. Are they very certain say you don't suck this man money well before you they come up? Because if you don't go do I'm sorry for you. Because all of us know say this man get better money. So I hope say this divorce if you go collect some private jet and some things. If not this divorce he go overpay you because now Regina go come use and prepare you well for body. My auntie Regina, make I give you information. I hear say now you be next. Say this man don't decide one other lady where be say go come take over you and you said you don't even talk with your mouth. Say this man like woman, but hope say you said don't they ready. Where you said your own divorce go even pass like this because we know say you na celebrity. Your own fee even worse reach this one. So until I beg start to prepare. Where you said go start to gather your money small now in case the thing can't go happen. But even with you, I don't look and say you know go even feel come out from this marriage. Make I not forget say when this man marry Regina, she do some traditional things, wear white. I don't know where na juju they don't use to tie her down. So your own last now cry, you will cry, tire if they bring a new wife, maybe say come prepare you for body. So you better stay on your game. Where you go they work out, go do surgery, make your nash big, make your yellow pass like that because you know as Ned they like them. Make it no come go the chuka inside another person woman again, no. Come they prepare you for body. Anyways, my people, now this one now here, now make a bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This one will carry come as they hot now they bring and come. I hear say EFCC don't weigh Obi Cubana. On I know the almighty Obi Cubana now. Where do big party? Yes, that man. I hear say they don't carry him in don they dwell inside EFCC prison. And so what to make then these people go carry him because say what they suspect the way where this man they spend the money. Say the way when they dash out money they act. It be like say this money no they pure. Now there they come begin do investigation. Talk say they want the investigating matter. Say they want charge them for money laundering and tax fraud. Now wow. So they try to tell me say Obi Cubana money no they pure. I don't even begin con the reason them. Say so all these rich people where they inside Nigeria, on our sure say their money not from legit ways. But me I still they look and say fine because this guy explain. Say he don't do so many work where be say now he can they enjoy him money. So you know see why people now they link the whole thing to fraud and things. And make now not forget this man they live in life jejely. Now when he bring her down or Barbaria, where he do for him mama, now there he begin trade. Where be saying he came kill 200 cows. Now there everybody start to carry matter for her, start to the hype up. Say him na ritualist, him na this one. If say this guy don't stay on him low, jejely. I'm not sure say by now EFCC go dey look him matter. Because then I even talk am. Say person wey do this kind big party, even Dangote wey get money for once, he never do party rich like this. So then go say he will even kill 100 cows, talk less of 200 cows. I sure say since then, na there EFCC don dey look am, dey chook am on top of him body, say somehow we go get this man. I don't know the way this guy can go do now. We be say nah, they don't come carry the matter for him. But Mr. Obi Cubana, me I go just advise you. I sure say na money these people they find. They find a form of settlement. So just find one kind small money, give them. But EFCC, if you na claim say truly na money laundering and they arrest people for, they are supposed to start with on self. Because all the money we be say on they seize from people, I beg on another for one they give us accounts. Talk say okay, now the two they use the money do be this. We never even see the money with our face now. We just talk and say on assist this one, on assist that. We never see them. Secondly, our government, our politicians, I beg why be saying I never first go arrest our number one. Because now as this man go write so many budgets, all in the name of saying he won't use the money to do this. I beg all those ones don't be money laundering. All those ones not before 190s. But because then there be big people now on a no go reason now. So baby, I don't reason now. Just go back to your normal lifestyle if they release you. They live your life on the low. Because I just know the whole flashy lifestyle. Now make all this kind of rich people. EFCC now when they put eye on top of you. And it is very normal with rich people. Because I know say if you don't they showcase yourself, they show yourself, say okay, money there your hand. And so they're gonna do. They're gonna try every means and possible ways on how to collect their own share. So guy back, I don't know how this matter won't they go. But if they say they won't carry this man go court, but anyway they won't carry and go, we go see they bring the updates. But for now, instead they with them, they go through interrogation. And I hear say a fellow group of people that they support her. Make na support them with money. Not before party on a carry money go they spread for this one now. We be saying don't they in trouble. I hope say I go come out for him again for this one. Anyways, my people now here I go take break on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story.